Welcome to Hope Christian School. Hope was started in 1976 by a handful of visionaries who believed there was a need and a calling for a non-denominational Christian high school in Albuquerque. Despite many who believed it an impossible goal, the founders pressed on in the spirit of attempting something so big that unless God intervenes, it is bound to fail. Over 40 years of growth and expansion later, Hope offers pre-K through high school on 3 campuses in Northeast Albuquerque. Our middle school and high school students make up approximately 2/3 of the student body of Hope Christian School. Middle school is a time of significant growth, socially, physically, and academically. At Hope, students are able to choose from electives such as art, guitar, piano, band and choir, broadcasting, Spanish language, yearbook, and drama. There are also many extracurricular activities available after school, including sports and athletics, student government, robotics, and other clubs to help students enhance their education and discover their gifts and talents. They can also participate in a full range of middle school athletics, and 8th graders at Hope Christian School are eligible for participation in high school level sports. Our music department produces advanced musicians, many of whom go on to receive scholarships at the collegiate level. This year, 4 of our middle and high school students will participate in All-State. This well-rounded focus prepares our students for the rigors of our Hope Christian High School and its college preparatory curriculum. 98% of our graduates go on to college or military service, and many are able to graduate in less than 4 years because of the college credits they earn at Hope in our dual credit program. The high school years are kicked off by spiritual retreats for each class and weekly chapel topics addressing the challenges facing our teens, helping them apply the biblical teachings they've learned since preschool. Through community service and outreach projects, our students practice serving and honoring others above themselves. Cultivating hearts of service from the preschool level all the way up to graduation is part of Hope's mission to pray for, equip, and send Christ-centered, passionate leaders to change the world. From middle school workathon to high school mission trips around the state and across the globe, in corporate outreach projects or individual community service, our students are preparing to take leadership roles in the future. While our Huskies high schoolers work very hard, they also play hard. Championship athletics have brought home over 90 state championships over the years. And whether your student's bent is athletics or arts or strictly academics, from homecoming week to senior spring fling, student life is vibrant and school spirit is unrivaled at Hope Christian High School. We take seriously the safety of your children and have taken a proactive approach to campus security with armed security on every campus. While we are not allowing visitors inside campus buildings during COVID, we love to tour prospective families around the campuses. Schedule a time to come visit us and leave with a sense of what it's like to be part of the Hope family and whether it may be a fit for yours. Learn more, schedule a tour, and apply online at hcsnm.org.